guys, we're in Bangkok again and it's July 22nd and 21st, I don't remember. So we've just arrived. Yeah, just walking around, gonna take you through my several days because we have a lot of plans, a lot of things to see and to do, things that we haven't done before. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled. Also, check out my t-shirt. I'm wearing it because probably today we're gonna watch this Barbie film, a new one. Very excited. Yeah, and now I'm gonna show you our apartment because this time we are living in a really nice area called Thonglor. I call it Thonglor, so yeah, I will show you our apartment later. So this is how our building looks like. We live on the first floor. I didn't know that when we were booking it. So I'm gonna show you. So let's start with an apartment tour and then I will show you the whole building. This is our kitchen. Not a big one, but it's okay. We have a kitchen, it's cool, like because everything is there, and fridge, an oven, a microwave oven. Also, the owner is so cute because she left a lot of different cozy things for us. Like for example, these tea bags from different countries, which is super awesome. Also, this is our living room, like a small one. It's gonna be a place where my brother will sleep, like right here. Like he will have something like Japanese style bed. And I like all these pictures. They're like super cozy, super nice, and yeah, like you feel the soul of the owner, you know. And we have a balcony, but I don't know if it makes sense to have a balcony on the first floor, but like we have it. So our bedroom, where my husband and I are gonna sleep, really cool. I like all the colors, everything. Unfortunately, the flat is a bit dark, but like it's my mistake and my husband's mistake because we really, I don't know how we didn't notice that the flat is on the ground floor, but it's nice. And the bathroom, nothing special, just a bathroom. So yeah, I will show you the rest of the building. This is our swimming pool on the last floor. Also we have a gym and everything is free, and there are not so many people here, like 0 people actually, because probably the weather is always hot and people are tired of swimming or something. So day number 2, and what's on our agenda today? Firstly, we're gonna have breakfast, though it's like 2 p.m. already. I bet nobody has breakfast that late here. After that, I wanna go to Icon Siam, show it to my brother, and like to enjoy the view, you know, the scenery of the city, Chinatown, because I haven't showed it in my vlogs yet. So it's gonna be our first time there together. And Khaosan Road and the road next to it, which I love a lot. So this is my breakfast. So it's good that we decided to share, right? You're never ready for my videos.
Of course.
Never. So yeah, looks cool. You know, it's nice to live in this area, Thonglor, but it's quite far from all tourist attractions. So we have to take a bus, we have to take an underground, a BTS, so all the time. That is the only disadvantage, I guess. And this is how we ended on the boat, which has taken us to Icon Siam. As I told you, our first destination is Icon Siam, and we're gonna go up there to the highest floor because we want to see a beautiful city scenery. Let's go. It is the first time in my life when I see people supporting some cyber sports event. It is so nice and cool and very unusual for me. Yeah, look how beautiful it is here. Just love it. I think this is the most beautiful shopping center here, and the best thing is, of course, this thing. This terrace is amazing. Look at the view. So finally we made it to Chinatown, and I'm gonna show you this place. Yeah, we decided to find a route on the internet with some interesting spots and locations, and I do hope it's gonna be fun. And here we are. Lots of people, a lot of food, and the later it is, the more people appear. Yeah, it's a really cool atmosphere. You should definitely visit this place if you are in Bangkok. I love it.
And now you probably see that the amount of people has significantly increased compared to what I showed you in the beginning. And this is my recommendation. Remember this spot. Here you can try a traditional Thai style pudding. The ambience is amazing. This place is teeny tiny but very, very cozy, and you will definitely feel this, old Thailand vibes. This is a menu for you, by the way, and these are our puddings. Looks cool, right?
So let's try this thing, because I don't even know what it is, but it's interesting. Oh my god, look. It's very unusual. I like it. And this one, we took two signature, I don't know what it is again, like puddings. It reminds me of yogurts, but it's good. And the place is awesome, really beautiful. So we're gonna enjoy our meal, and after that we'll go to Khaosan Road. See you there. So we took tuk-tuk. Going to Rumbuttri, to the place where we had the best pad thai ever. I will show you the spot. I know it's my favorite pad thai there, like next to Khaosan Road, and it's like one of my favorite streets, I think. Last time we lived there in the hotel, just like next to this pad thai spot, and we fell in love with it. We had this pad thai almost all the time. It is Rumbuttri Road, but unfortunately our pad thai spot is not working today. Very sad, because I wanted my brother to try it, but still there are a lot of nice coffee spots, like food spots. So we're gonna have spring rolls, tom yum, and my brother is having French fries. Very, very Thai-ish.
This is the main part of Rumbuttri Road, just across the street, and what I want you to remember is the restaurant just on the left when you cross the street, which is called I Love Thai Food, because it is absolutely delish and fantastic.
This is a very, very nice walking street, and I love it. And people sing songs here, perfect voices, so everything is cool here. So my fave street. I hate Khaosan, to be honest, but this one is awesome.
Now we're on our way to Khaosan Road, which is very close to Rumbuttri Road, and the reason why I hate Khaosan Road, sorry guys, because it is super noisy. Music is everywhere. You can't even understand where the music comes from because it's very loud. People are cleany. Everybody's trying to sell you something, especially these special balloons with some funny gas. So I don't know what it is, but it's crazy and it is super packed. Anyway, if you're in Thailand for the first time, this place is a must because still there is something in it, you know? We're home, and I hope that you liked our video, you liked Chinatown, you like Icon Siam or Siam. Oh my god, help me how to pronounce it correctly. And Rumbuttri Road, maybe you also hate Khaosan Road as I do. So Tell me in your comments. Bye bye.